you wouldn't see this. And then the other bit.
Look, birdie.
Lots of birdies in there.
That's birdie. Yeah, and birdies.
Ah! Don't know if this is filming on my camera now. I've seen them before, never this many birds. Literally thousands of birds. Hey guys, JJ here. Late evening, half 4, 5 o'clock, and we're in Newport wetlands. It's Bailey, Sal, Cooper, and my wife Kerry. We've come to see how wet it is, and boy, it's in half wet. I know we've had some bad weather this last few weeks, but this is really muddy down there. But kids are enjoying splashing in the mud. Well, Cooper is. Hopefully that just come out now of me filming a load of birds all going to flying together. Beautiful sight. Quite unique really. Lovely break. I'm going to put some stills up our last visit here with much drier, nicer weather, but for now tag all them together and bring them in. So for now, JJ out, be safe. Hey guys, JJ just at the wetlands. Hopefully I'll tag into the other video, just showing you how muddy it is. As you'll see, it's touch muddy. The kids are playing their best Peppa Pig act of splashing in muddy puddles. We'll find new wellies today and christening them in style. So yeah, it's a bit damp here, so we're having a bit of fun in the mud.
Yeah, and it's cool.
There you go, Cooper's opinion is it's cool.
And it's the muddiest.
And Bailey thinks it's cool as well. There we go, nice and muddy. Why keep them in playing on computers when you can be out playing in mud?
The dirtiest.
Let's have a look at those boots, Cooper. Are they qualified as dirty? Yeah, they're not bad. Bailey decided he didn't want to get them dirty originally, but we have now crossed the line of bastard. So guys, will be the last time out for tonight. It's getting a bit dark now, so we're heading back towards the car. That's JJ out. Be safe guys.